everybody, welcome to House on the Hill. We're really lucky to have Karlien again for our positive feeding for our school parents. Let's have a quick chat with Karlien. Hi, really welcome. Thank you for coming. And we just have one quick question. So what is your 4 tips for our school parents for positive feeding?
Okay, so in accordance to responsive feeding, I believe that a child we should respect their body autonomy and help them feel in control. So I really recommend reducing pressure to eat, how many bites, cleaning their plates, and rather have them decide for themselves how much and if they want to eat. But that doesn't mean not having any boundaries around meal times. I do believe in a predictable, flexible schedule so a child knows what to expect. And then also serving meals in a more family style or deconstructed, so they can dish up things and elements that they like, but they're still exposed to some foods that they might not like yet. And then finally getting them involved with food preparation in the kitchen, not just baking but also chopping, slicing with child-friendly knives really helps them to develop a healthy relationship with food.
That's awesome.